Alright, so you've been watching the show, you've seen the 66 C10. Well, doing a little bit of work here and there as I get time. Just getting it ready to take to a car show tomorrow. And thinking I'm going to take a look at the exhaust. It's got an exhaust leak. Well, look at what I found. Here's the problem. So, get down here. The nut, somewhere along the way, if I can get the focus right, the nut is completely gone off the bottom here. The nut's here on this side, but look at this. If I can show you, there's a whole lot of wiggle room there. A bunch of exhaust is getting out right here because the nut's gone here. So I gotta fix that exhaust leak. That's why the exhaust is leaking. Need to fix that.